second. So what's up guys, it's Techshack and today it's gonna be a very basic video where I'm gonna be upgrading my setup. I had a very bad setup. It used to lag, it used to crash, it used to do everything that you could not hope it to do. So today I'm gonna be upgrading it and putting in some RGB. So the first thing we're gonna do is migrating the OS to a SSD. So the problem with migrating the OS is that some partitions don't get aligned. Thankfully, we had some application called Mini Tool Partition Wizard, not sponsored, but from there, that's what we built our foundation on. So Past Ravi, take it from here. Okay, so now that we have reached the stage of migrating the OS to SSD, you need this tool, Mini Tool Partition Wizard. I don't know what that is. It's a very super generic name, but you click on Migrate OS to SSD or hard drive. I only want the system partition, so you click on I would like to move my operating system to another hard disk and keep the original hard disk on my computer. So it will only copy the system required partitions. So I've chosen the Kingston SATA SSD. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that is. Just click on next and click on finish and it should be done. It should say this. After that, just apply and it says this and it should be done. So take it back, future Ravi. Now that you're back and count into the place, now we need to upgrade our system. So yeah, that's just the second step, that's all. And step 3 is praying to God that it works. Okay, so looking at this, it has the Intel stock cooler on it. Now I have a big problem with Intel stock coolers and I definitely ordered a cooler that should be coming soon by today. So if you realize that I haven't put the stock cooler on, that means the PC part hasn't come yet. Now since everything else has come, so I don't need to worry about anything. If I could position this, yeah, I can. As you can see, this is the kind of setup I'm working with at the moment. It is a literal hellhole, but speaking about it, it looks fine and well for me. It looks fine and well for any person who works a 9-to-5 job. But I'm not a 9-to-5 person, I'm more of a gamer, so that's what I'm gonna do today. But I'm actually gonna be pulling out all the power supply stuff and all with my handy dandy screwdriver. Woo! So yeah, let's get these 4 screws out of the way where we have to remove our power supply. I removed one of them by mistake. Okay, so this is where people do the time-lapse shit, but gonna let you know on how exactly I do it. You know, since this PC is pretty crappy and dusty, and I did discharge the capacitors, I think so. So if I get shocked, no more video guys, no more Techshack. Oh yeah, and I heard you didn't subscribe to the channel, so why don't you do it? Come on man. And I'll be bringing out more gaming videos in the future, considering that they're doing pretty well. By pretty well, I mean 20 views. So yeah, let's continue with this.
you.